How to position subtitles. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video and I want to change the position of subtitles. Right-click on a line and click on Alignment, and you have 9 options to change the position of subtitles. But let's say we want to position subtitle at an exact point in the video and not use these 9 options. How we can do that? First, change format from SRT to Advanced Substation Alpha. Now press Ctrl+A to select all the lines, and then right-click on one of them and go to ASSA Tools and choose Set Position. Now move your mouse cursor on the screen, and when you're happy with the position, just click there. You can see the position of the subtitles at the top left, and make sure that all the selected lines checkbox is checked and click OK. Now the position is set, and we have to burn the subtitle into video. Just go to Video and click on Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. Click on Generate button and save the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.